Oh.
Oh.
Oh. So a mate recommended this mountain thing behind us. No. That one. So we're gonna go back today. Go for it?
Yeah. I'm just tired.
Knackering. It's just a bit hot. Luckily there was actually some cloud cover, so it would have been a lot worse. We shuffled our way down the big Welsh sounding mountain rock Peñón de Ifac and then checked Part for night, which took us a couple of hours south to a real nice spot on the edge of the sea. We found a nice little spot for the night in between
Alicante and Benidorm.
Alicante and Benidorm. Look at the spot. Oh yeah.
Good.
I tell you what, I bet those guys up there pay a little bit more for this privilege.
George.
We only stayed here for one night as the urge to get to Tarifa was growing fast. So we made our way to a place named Santa Pola, which is also meant to be good for kite surfing. We liked it that much, we ended up staying for nearly a week. We found a real cool place with loads of dogs on the beach, all playing together having fun. Po? What's she doing? What are you doing, Po? Oh, that's it. You warming your wetsuit up?
Alex is getting his dreadlock done.
The dogs absolutely loved that water and it was so warm that even I had to have a dip. Having fun with bubbles, we made our way to Las Negras via vast pink salt lakes.
We're only about 300 miles from Tenerife now, but we've been taking our time, as you know. And we've stopped in a place called Las Negras, which is famous for apparently pirates used to store treasure here and in the caves and things, yeah. We're probably gonna stay here for a couple of days. The reason I actually came here initially, I had it marked on Google Maps that it's good for cliff jumping, but I haven't really looked into it any further. I don't know how you find these cliffs. Maybe have a bit of a Google later, but the internet here is crap. It does that thing where it says you've got internet but nothing works, so quite frustrating. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and ding my bell, because you won't even know if I've uploaded a video otherwise. Cheers guys, see you on the next one.